Are you still using your Samsung Galaxy A series phone? If so, you might want to check for the latest update that just rolled out. Samsung has started distributing the January 2025 security patch to several Galaxy A models in the United States, including the Galaxy A23 5G, Galaxy A32 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and the Galaxy A53 5G. Even though these devices have been around for a few years now, Samsung continues to provide crucial updates to ensure they remain secure and function well. The January 2025 security update addresses a number of vulnerabilities. It fixes 29 issues that affect the Android operating system itself, alongside 22 security flaws specific to Samsung devices. While this update doesn't bring major new features, it's essential for the protection and stability of your phone. These security patches are designed to safeguard user data and enhance the overall performance of your device. Regular updates are vital, especially as threats continue to evolve. For owners of the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A53, there's something to look forward to beyond just security patches. In the upcoming months, these models will be upgraded to Samsung's One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This update will bring new features and improvements that enhance both the performance and user interface, ensuring these phones feel fresh even as they age. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A23 and Galaxy A32 won't be receiving any further major operating system updates, but they will continue to get security patches to ensure they stay secure for a while longer. If you're using one of these models, you can check for the update by heading to your phone's settings. Simply select Software Update and tap Download and Install. It's a quick and easy way to keep your phone protected. While these security patches may seem like small updates, they play an important role in ensuring your device is secure and running smoothly. It's always a good idea to keep your phone up to date, as this helps protect it from potential threats and ensures it performs at its best. One of the benefits of receiving these updates is that they extend the lifespan of your phone. Many people hold onto their smartphones for several years, and consistent updates help keep older devices functioning as efficiently as possible. This is especially true for mid-range models like the Galaxy S series, which may not always get the same attention as flagship devices but still deserve long-term support. Samsung's commitment to keeping these phones updated shows just how much they value providing ongoing support, even for budget-friendly options. If you haven't received the January 2025 update yet, don't worry. Carrier-locked versions of these phones are still waiting to be updated, but they will likely get the patch soon. Keeping your device updated isn't just about security, it also helps improve the phone's performance. Over time, updates can fix bugs, optimize apps, and even introduce new features. It might seem like a hassle to download and install these updates, but the benefits far outweigh the inconvenience. A well-maintained phone can save you from costly repairs or even replacing your device prematurely. So, if you own a Galaxy A23, A32, A35, or A53, it's time to check for the latest update. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Samsung devices and other tech news. Stay tuned for more. When you think of the Samsung Galaxy S Pen, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Is it the smooth writing experience, the ability to take notes on the fly, or perhaps its advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity? For years, the S Pen has been an iconic accessory for Samsung's flagship devices, but with the release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's been some controversy. Specifically, the Bluetooth-powered Air Actions have been removed. Many users are upset about this, but the real question is, were these features ever as essential as they seemed? The Galaxy S Pen has always been much more than just a stylus. In fact, the Bluetooth functionality allowed for Air Actions, gestures that let you control your device remotely. With just a swipe or click, users could trigger the camera shutter, change slides and presentations, or even control music playback. This might sound impressive, but in reality, how often did you actually use it? The Air Actions feature was one of those things that sounded great on paper, but in everyday use it didn't have the widespread appeal that many expected. The thing is, while Air Actions have been cut, the core functionality of the S Pen remains unchanged. Users can still write, draw, and navigate with incredible precision and responsiveness, just as they always have. The pen's pressure sensitivity and accuracy are still top-notch, ensuring that artists, note-takers, and anyone who values a good stylus experience won't miss a beat. The only difference now is that the Bluetooth-powered remote gestures are no longer available. So why did Samsung make the decision to remove Air Actions from the S Pen? According to the company, it was simply a matter of low usage. They reported that fewer than 0.5% of Galaxy S24 Ultra users actually made use of the Bluetooth features. To put that into perspective, if Samsung sold 15 million units of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, only around 75,000 users would have engaged with Air Actions regularly. Given this small percentage, Samsung found that it didn't make sense to allocate resources to maintain this feature. Instead, the company has chosen to focus on other improvements that are more widely used and appreciated. From a business standpoint, this is a smart move. Samsung is a global leader in technology, and it has to be strategic with its resources. Features like Bluetooth-powered gestures require ongoing support, software updates, engineering efforts, and the physical components that go into making them work. If a feature isn't being widely used, it makes sense to cut it and put those resources towards something that will benefit more people. This isn't the first time that Samsung has faced backlash over removing features. When the company eliminated the infrared blaster, microSD card slot, and the 3.5mm headphone jack, many fans were upset, claiming it was the end of Samsung's innovation. However, sales continued to rise, proving that these removals didn't have the dramatic effect that some predicted. Samsung's decision to remove Air actions may not be a deal-breaker for most users, especially when you consider the positives. The removal of these Bluetooth features helped make the Galaxy S25 Ultra slimmer and lighter. By cutting down on the extra components, Samsung could also keep production costs lower, which might have helped prevent any price hikes. It's clear that the company's leadership under TM Rowe is committed to focusing on real, meaningful innovation rather than nostalgia for features that have little impact on the majority of users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Did Samsung just copy Apple, or has it come up with something better? The new Galaxy S25 series has introduced a feature that can make a huge difference for anyone who creates videos on their phone. You can now record videos directly to an external USB-C storage device. This may seem like a small change, but it could be a game changer for content creators and videographers who often work with large video files. If you shoot videos on your phone, you know that storage can quickly become a problem, especially when recording in high resolution. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung allows you to record directly to an external storage device, so you don't have to worry about filling up your phone's memory. This is especially useful for long videos or high-quality footage like 4K or 8K videos, which can take up a lot of space. This feature works through the updated Camera Assistant app, which is only available for the Galaxy S25 series. The app allows you to record in several video modes, including standard video, pro video, portrait video, time-lapse, and slow motion. This means you can record in different styles and store everything on an external drive without any extra hassle. So why is this feature important? If you've ever tried recording long videos on your phone, you know how quickly storage can run out. No one wants to stop filming because their phone is full. By saving videos directly to an external USB-C storage device, you can keep recording for as long as you need without worrying about running out of space. Plus, transferring large files to your computer after recording can take time. With this new feature, you don't need to manually move files anymore. You just plug in a compatible external drive and start filming. Apple first introduced this feature with the iPhone 15 Pro in 2023, allowing users to record videos in the ProRes format to an external USB-C drive. But Samsung has taken it a step further. While Apple only supports ProRes, Samsung lets you record in multiple video formats, giving you more options and flexibility. This is great for people who need different video file types for editing or software compatibility. For anyone who creates video content regularly, whether it's for work, social media, or personal projects, this feature is a big win. It saves you time, keeps your phone's storage free for other things, and makes it easier to manage large video files. You don't have to worry about space or waste time transferring files after filming. There's one catch, though. This feature is only available on the Galaxy S25 series for now. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it will come to older models through a software update. But given how useful this feature is, it would be great if it could be available on more Samsung devices or even other Android phones in the future. In many ways, Samsung is catching up to Apple with this new feature. While Apple was the first to introduce the ability to record video to an external storage device, Samsung has made it even more useful by allowing users to choose from different video formats. This feature could be a big deal for professionals and casual users alike. If you're using the Galaxy S25 series, you now have a feature that makes recording videos much easier. Whether you're a pro videographer or just someone who likes to capture high-quality footage, this new update is definitely worth checking out. With this feature, Samsung is showing that it's not just following Apple. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.